Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A54s, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, pull down your notification panel. There we go. Expand it and look for the power saving toggle, but it looks like it's turned off by default. So we will need to press on this button right over here. And as you can see, we have our super power saving mode and the power saving mode right here. Now the super one is just like a super jacked up version of the normal one, turning off as much as of the features as it can. So it removes wallpapers, it lowers down the brightness, and does basically everything plus more of what this does, the normal one. So anyway, I'm just gonna add the normal power saving mode. So we want to grab it, drag it over to the top, drop it, and now you can quickly access it whenever you need it. So you just tap on the toggle right here, and as you can see, it is now running. Now keep in mind, when you enable your power saving mode, it does disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is not being used for some period of time. So this will result in you not getting any kind of notifications from apps that require internet connection. That'd be Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, and so on. And once you're done with your power saving mode, you can just pull down your notification again and simply tap on the toggle to turn it off. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.